Hey everybody, welcome back to Tech Odyssey. So I'm back with another how-to video, and it was very popular with the Vivo XL4, so I wanted to make another one this time. It's a how to install the SIM cards and the SD card into the new BLU G9. Now, it has two SIM card slots on the inside, and thankfully this time they're both nano SIM, so it's not one micro and one nano. It's much easier to figure out, and it's much easier to go ahead and swap them out because you don't need to worry about having an adapter. So all you have to do is get your SIM ejector tool, pop the tray out, and you can see there, not a whole lot to worry about. You've got the bottom, which is the primary SIM card, and then up top you can put your SD card, or you can turn your other SD card horizontally and you can rock both of them at the same time. So for demonstration purposes, this is how you put the SD card in. So easy peasy, not difficult there at all. It'll support up to 128 gigabytes, and then go ahead and throw your SIM card in, and you're cooking with gas. So that's how you put the SIM card and the SD card in together. Now, if you want to put a second SIM card in so you can use it in the unlocked mode and use both SIM cards at the same time, then you go ahead and you put the SIM card right there, horizontally as well. It matches just like the one on the bottom. So you can easily put both SIM cards in there. You don't need to worry about the adapter like you see there on the ground, and then you can go ahead and slide it into the phone as long as the other SIM card doesn't pop out. Now, very easy, just leave it hanging in the phone and you can just put the other SIM card back in, no problem. So once you get the SIM card back in there, slide it and lock it into place and you're ready to go. So very easy. So you can do it, doesn't take long at all. Put both of your SIM cards in there and call it a day. You don't need that SIM adapter anymore. You can take that, you can chunk it, because long gone are the days of having to use a micro and a nano SIM together in a blue phone, so you can use it in your dual SIM unlocked mode. So that's about all I've got for the SIM installation and SD card installation video for this phone. As always, if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section. If you run into issues, please let me know and I'll help walk you through them. But that's all I've got for this installation video. So thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it, guys. As always, if you liked it, hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up and the notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time.